Tired of missing important calls and letting opportunities slip through your fingers? In this video, we'll show you how to set up call forwarding on your Twilio phone number in just a few simple steps, ensuring you never miss another call again. First, log into your Twilio account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the phone number section. On the left-hand side of your Twilio console, click on Manage Numbers, and then click on Active Numbers. Here, you'll see a list of all your Twilio phone numbers. Click on the phone number you want to configure call forwarding for. Scroll down to the VO section of the configuration page. Look for the A Call Comes In setting. This is where you tell Twilio what to do when someone calls your number. You have two main options for forwarding your calls: using TwiML or using the Twilio console. For a TwiML solution, select TwiML app and set up the app to forward the call. Alternatively, choose Webhook and configure the URL. Alternatively, you can simply use the Redirect To option in the drop-down. Select Redirect To. Then enter the phone number where you want your calls to be forwarded. In the text box provided, be sure to include the country code, for example 1 followed by the 10-digit number. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button, and that's it. Your Twilio phone number is now configured to forward incoming calls to the phone number you specify. Now, whenever someone calls your Twilio number, the call will be automatically forwarded, keeping you connected and in control. Thanks for watching.